Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to update apps on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going to hop over to quick settings and then move out to all settings. From there, we'll go down to apps. Under apps, we're going to scroll down and we'll find the setting that says manage updates. So if you click on this, you can see auto update apps on Chromecast. Leaving this on is going to always find the latest version of the apps, install them after downloading them, of course. But if you do not have this setting turned on, I suggest you turn it on. However, if you want to do it manually, you could go to see available updates. So this will take you to the manage apps and games portion of the embedded Google Play Store on the system. And if you look at updates, you can see that there are two apps pending updates. It may be different for you, but these are the apps you could update. You can also free up storage from here. These are apps that you have installed that you could uninstall. Just check them and then uninstall. And these are the apps on the device as well. So right there you can navigate, allow automatic updates or come to updates and manually update the apps which have available updates. So I have two updates pending and those will be downloaded very soon. In your case, you may have more or less. Navigate, find the updates you want and get them running. So that's how you update apps on Chromecast. If you find that useful, subscribe to the channel, like the video for content like this.